Okay, y'all probably wondering why I'm looking like a disco ball up in here with this little snazzy shirt. I was digging through my closet trying to find something to throw on today and found this shirt that this lady gave me in Las Vegas a few years ago. I never wear. And I said, you know what, let me go ahead and bling today. So that's why I have on this blinged out tank top. It's got a big red apple on it too. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling a little saucy today, so it's no telling what might come out of my mouth. I'm gonna keep it PG though. I'm gonna keep it PG. So anyway, as you saw by the title of this video, I am testing out another one of my new palettes. Okay, now if you're a regular viewer of mine, you know that I started a series a week or so back, forcing myself to use all of the palettes that are in my collection before buying a new one. Okay, well that didn't last long because I probably bought a palette the same day I started that series. So anyway, I'm still going to go through and use every single palette in my collection, but since my homegirl hooked me up, it's gonna take me a little longer because she bought me some nice new bomb palettes in our makeup swap. And if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Her name is Keeping It Simple with Bridget. She has a bomb channel. Go over there, check it out, and you'll see from her swap and my swap what we got each other. And one of the items that she got me, that she sent me in our makeup swap, okay, is the Natasha Denona 28 eyeshadow palette. Okay, this Vision of Glory right here in this beautiful white, it's like a faux leather case, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This is what the palette looks like inside. It has these gorgeous, getting shadow all over myself as usual. Nothing new, just the usual routine, making a hot mess. But okay, it has this nice little cellophane cover with the names of the shadows, a mirror up top, and these are the shadows in this palette, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, you know I really want to play around in these blues and greens, but I'm not going to do that today. I am going to do a purple look, I think. So I think I'm going to play around over here today. But I do want to go ahead and do a few swatches. You guys, this palette is not new per se, so you've probably already seen a bunch of videos on it and swatches and whatnot. But I do want to go ahead and do some swatches for you just in case you haven't seen this palette. So let me just do some swatches for you so you can witness the glory of this palette, okay? Bomb.com. Okay, holla at your girl. Holla at your girl. Okay, so as you can see, this palette is very nice. Okay, now the trick today for me is going to be creating a beautiful look on my eyes with this palette without looking crazy. Okay, because you guys know how much I love color, so I'm going to try to make a nice colorful look, but I'm gonna kind of try to keep it, what is it, monochromatic or whatever. So I'm gonna try to focus on just one color, which is gonna be hard for me, but that's what we gonna do. So anywho, okay, you guys, so my skin, I've already thrown on some eyebrows, as you can see, but my skin might look a little, you know, glowy and shiny, and actually I'm loving it because I'm actually using this Bare Minerals Brilliant Future Age Defense Renew Serum. So I'm using this before I do my makeup, and I'm also using the Estee Lauder Resilient Lift Eye Cream that I got, and I'm loving both of those. I love the way they make my skin feel, and it's just bomb.com. So that is what I have on my skin as a base, and I have also already gone in with my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It is the bomb, and so that is also giving my face a little extra moisture and softness. So I already have that done. Now I'm gonna go in right now and just prep my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and set it with my e.l.f. powder. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and just jump into this palette. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this brown shade here because I don't see a lighter shade that's not a shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this brown shade here and just kind of focus that in my upper crease area. Okay, you guys, so that color is not too bad. Nicely pigmented, not as dark as I thought it would be. So looks like it's gonna be a halfway decent transition shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this really pretty pink magenta type shade. I guess I could tell you the names. The first shade was Cool Plum and the next shade is called Nina's Orchid. So I'm going to go in with Nina's Orchid and I'm just going to blend that in with that transition shade, but I'm going to stay in my crease area. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and focus on my lid area, and I'm going to take this purple shade here. It's a really light, pretty purple, and it's called Electric Violet, and I'm just going to place that mainly in the center portion of my lid. Okay, so now that I have that really pretty, beautiful purple placed on the center of my lid, I'm going to deepen the inner and outer corners. And I'm going to use this really pretty burgundy shade here, this one here. And that one is called Aubergine. So you guys, I'm just gently tapping it in and then gently dragging it just a little bit into the crease, not too much. Now I'm just going to take the excess that's left on this brush and use that just a little bit in my inner corner, not too much. I don't want it to be too dark, but just a little bit. Okay, so now that I have those purples and burgundies kind of blended nicely into each other, I actually want to try out one of these eyeshadow toppers that I have. I'm going to be doing a video also just kind of talking about and showing you guys some of these new eyeshadow toppers that everyone is raving over. And this one is a holographic one that I got from J-Cat. And I purchased this one from shophush.com, and I couldn't tell you what the color on this is. Let me see if I can read this. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so the color on this one is Unicorn Hype. Pretty cool name. Pretty cool name. So let me go ahead. I want to just place some of this topper, and this is what it looks like. So this is my first time using one of these, so hopefully I don't make a mess. It has a cute little doe foot applicator, but I just want to place some of this in the center of my lid. Oh, this stuff is pretty. Very pretty. It looks like it actually canceled out that purple that I put in the center before, so I might add a little bit of purple on the end, back end. So now, since I lost that purple shade, I'm going to go back into that purple shade, which is Electric Violet, and I'm going to kind of add that in on the outer and a little bit in the crease area. Okay, so now to go ahead and add a little bit of pizzazz to this look, I'm going to take this color Chromatic, which is this shade here, a really, really pretty silver shadow, and I'm going to pop some of that in my inner corner. And I'm going to use an old school applicator for this, and I'm going to spray it with a little setting spray. So I'm just going to take the brush that has that purple on it and just blend that silver into that eyeshadow topper. You guys, I swear I'm not trying to do a cut crease. I'm really not. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this tape off so I can move on. I had about enough of these eyes. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and move on to a little bit of black liquid eyeliner, and I'm using my Wet n Wild eyeliner as usual. Okay, so now let's go ahead and finish off these eyes because I do want to smoke out my lower lash line. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this deep burgundy shade here and place that right on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go in and smoke it out with some of the purple shade. And you guys, I'm not even going to put any mascara on my lower lash line because you won't even be able to see it. Okay, so for lips, you guys, I want to start off with a NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. And this one is in the color Subversive Socialite. So this is the color on this NYX lipstick. Okay, and so next I want to go in with this Clean Color Madly Matte, and this is a metallic lip gloss, and this is in the shade 1662. So this is what that looks like. Very pretty metallic shade. So I want to see what this will look like mixed in with this purple. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I almost feel like I want to put a little bit of the topper on my lip just to kind of make it match. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going back in with this topper that I used on my eyelids. You guys, I'm feeling this lip. I'm feeling this lip, okay? Yes, I am feeling this lip, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this with some of my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. So this is the final look, you guys, using this beautiful Natasha Denona 28 color eyeshadow palette. I am really, really feeling it. I love it. Hopefully you like this look too, along with the rest of the makeup that I chose today. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you like this look, please hit like, leave me a comment, holla at your girl, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!